and welcome to the General Anatomy lecture number 7, in which we will talk about the human skeleton. The human skeleton makes up the shape of the human body and helps in locomotion and many other activities. There are 206 bones in a human skeleton. And do you know how many bones are present in an infant? These are 270 bones that fuses together to form the adult skeleton. A skeleton has axial skeleton, consists of skull, the rib cage and the spine, and an appendicular skeleton consists of shoulder girdle, upper limb, pelvic girdle and the lower limb. In the axial skeleton, the skull consists of cranial bones and the facial bones. There are total 22 bones in the skull, in which 8 are the cranial bones and 14 are the facial bones. The rib cage consists of sternum and the 12 ribs, among which 1 to 7 are the true ribs, 8 to 10 are the false ribs, and 11 and 12 is called the floating ribs. The spine has vertebrae. 7 are the cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, 5 sacral vertebrae and a coccyx. In the appendicular skeleton, the first bone is the clavicle, also known as the collarbone, and the scapula, also known as the shoulder blade. The scapula and clavicle together forms the shoulder girdle. In the upper limb, the arm consists of humerus, and in the forearm, 2 bones are present, called the radius and the ulna. In the hand, 8 carpal bones are present that forms the wrist with the ulna and radius, and 5 metacarpal bones present in the palm and the 15 phalanges present in the fingers. The pelvic girdle consists of ilium, ischium and the pubis. In the thigh, femur bone is present, and the leg consists of 2 bones, tibia and the fibula. In the foot, tarsals, metatarsals and phalanges are present. There is a bone known as the patella present in the knee. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.